dear students, welcome back to online classes of St. Thomas School. Standard 8, subject Maths. Start 11.1. First question, a square and rectangular filled with the measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? Okay, here square and rectangular two fields are given. Here measurements also given. The side of square is 60 meter and length of rectangular field, that is a 80 meter. Okay. Now one condition is given. How can you find out the area? For that, one condition is given here in the question. Have the same perimeter. It means perimeter of square and rectangle, it is a same. It means you can compare them. So here you can see perimeter of rectangular field is equal to perimeter of square field. What is the formula? It's a 2 into L plus B, and for the square it's a 4 into psi. Now put the values here in the equation. Length of rectangular field we have, that is a 80, and side of square, that is a 60. So put the value. Now solve it out. 2 into 80 is equal to 160. 2 into B is equal to 2B. 4 into 60 is equal to 240. So 2B is equal to 240 minus 160. So 2B is equal to 80 and B is equal to 40 meter. Now you have the value of B here, this breadth, that is a 40 meter. Okay. So all four sides of square, it is equal. So we can have the area of this square, that is a 60 into 60, 3600, and area of rectangular 8 fours are, that is also 3200 meter square. So area of square field is larger. So in short, what is the question? You have to find out that which field has the larger area. So you have to compare the area of both the fields. So you have to find out the area of square and rectangular. So you can find out the area of square because 60 into 60, that is a 3600. But you don't have the breadth of this rectangular. You have the length. So what is the formula for rectangular? That is L into B. But you should have value of B. So to find out the value of B, here one condition is given in the question, that both the figures have the same perimeter. It means you can compare them and you can make equation and you can solve it. Okay. Now question number 2. Mr. Kaushik has a square plot. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter. There is a question. This Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot and she wants to construct a garden. She wants to construct a house, not a garden, in the middle of the plot. So this is the plot. Inside the plot she wants to construct this house. Okay. And garden is developed around the house. So this is the garden, shaded portion. So we have to find out the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter. So we should have the area of this garden. Okay, from this area we can find out the total cost. So how we can find out the area of this garden? So area of this square plot minus area of this house. Okay. So we have the measurement of this square plot and we have the measurement of this house also. Area of square plot 25 into 25. So it's a 625. And area of house, that is a length into breadth, that is a 20 into 15, 300 meter square. Now area of garden is equal to area of square plot minus area of house. You have to subtract. So it's a 625 minus 300. So it's equal to 325 meter square. Now you can find out the cost for 1 square meter, it's a 55. Then for 325 meter square, it's a 55 into 325 is equal to 17,875 rupees. Okay, this is the answer. Now third question onwards we will see later. Thank you.